Hello everyone, welcome to this crafty video. Here we are going to show you different crafty techniques. So let's begin with the first one. Here we are taking this glass bottle and we are just filling it with the glass colors as apparent on your screen. With the help of the stencil, we are creating some of the different type of the looks. You just have to scrape down some of the blue color and the blacker one you have already painted earlier. Now it's time to decorate it in the background. For that we are making use of the different laces and the beads, and glue gun is used for this one. Let's now move further with our another activity. Here again we are taking this glass shaped bottle and after that we are filling it with the glass color. Now we are taking some of the sponge so that you can create the texture that's somewhat roughy in nature. After that, with the help of this tool we are just making some of the flowers, and in the background we are adding some of the leaves using a hot glue gun. It looks so cool and the laces are also required for this one. This looks so nice and pretty. Let's move further with our another activity. Here again we are going to show you how we can decorate this empty bottle of the wine. First you just have to burn all the stickers that are from the outside of the bottle using the matchstick and the fire. How we are filling it with, in the background we are adding some of the beads. Let's now move further with our another activity. Here we are again taking this wine bottle and filling it with the glass color. After that the sponge is used for creating this roughy texture. Now you are taking some of the sponge more to create the texture more properly. After that we are taking some of the pine cones, trimming it down at the center, and then we are making some of the flowers out of it. One after the another we are pasting them using the hot glue gun over the tilted shape, and it looks so cute and so easy, and it looks a costly waste. Let's move further with our another activity. Here again we are taking this bottle and we are washing off the leftover stickers, and after that we are filling it with the glass colors, and after that you just see how we are creating these roughy liney patterns. After that we are taking again some of the pine cones, trimming it down at the center, filling it with some of the colors and just pasting them one after the another using a hot glue gun, and the laces are also added. Let's now move towards our another activity. Here again we are taking this empty glass bottle, removing all the stickers and filling it with some of the glass colors. With the help of the earbuds we are just trimming some of the edges of it and then fixing them one after the another with the help of this forceps using a glue gun. It looks so cute and so different and so beautiful. In the background we are adding some of the dots again with the help of the earbuds. Let's move further with our another activity. Again we are taking this bottle and then we are decorating it with some of the metallic paint. You can see how this looks, and with the help of the sponge we are just distracting this structure, actually the texture, and making it the rough. Now we are taking some of the pines and trimming them down with the help of the sharp scissors and filling it with some of the bright colors. Here I have used the yellow one. Now I am pasting it down over this bottle with the help of the hot glue gun, and some leaves are also added in the background. Let's now move further with our another activity. Here again we are taking this glass bottle and filling it with the black color with the help of the spatula. After that we are mixing the different types of the colors and creating a different unique color. With the help of this toothpaste brush we are going to sprinkle the color all over the bottle. Let's move further with our another activity. Here we are again taking the empty bottle and after that filling it with the glass color and making a zigzag pattern. Next we are going to trim some of the pine cone petals, and you can see one after the another filling it with some colors, and with the help of the hot glue gun we can decorate this vase and add some of the beads in the background. You can even make use of the laces also. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.